Hello students, today's topic is Renaissance. It means rebirth of classical learning. So you can say it is basically called an innovation in the field of literature. And so very origin of Renaissance in Greece. How it came to England? So it has, you can say, historical background. And so the Renaissance from Greece to England, it has a journey. So we have to know about it. Historical background: in 1453, at the fall of Constantinople to the Turks. So at the fall of Constantinople, Greek scholars had to fly from there, and they came to Italy with books of higher philosophy. And so they in Italy started to spread their high philosophy, and from Italy it came France by the great scholars, and at last it came to England by them. And in England, you can say it was mainly has the impact the post-medieval period. In the post-medieval period, but it got maturity in the 16th century. So we can say Renaissance here has its background. So there are 4 pages of the Renaissance. It means from beginning of 16th century to the start of Restoration, Renaissance is known very well in England, and it has 160 years period. The period of 160 years can be divided into 4 phases. It means Renaissance, the period of Renaissance in England can be divided into 4 phases from 1500 to 1660. It has 4 pages. Named of them: first period, the period of preparation. Very first phase, the period of preparation, and you can say childhood of Renaissance. It has the beginning from 1500 to 1570. And then the second phase, the Elizabethan period. We can say adolescence of Renaissance. It was started from 1570 to 1602. And the third period is Jacobean age. You can say manhood of Renaissance from 1602 to 1625. And the fourth, and you can say last phase of Renaissance is called Caroline period, old age of Renaissance, from 1625 to 1660. So we can say the 4 pages of Renaissance, just as compared human life: childhood of Renaissance, adolescence of Renaissance, manhood of Renaissance, old age of Renaissance. And meaning of Renaissance, it means rebirth. Rebirth of classical learning, basically related to Greek language, Greek study, Greek classical learning. And according to Simon, what is definition of Renaissance? You can say the Renaissance denotes whole transition from Middle Age to modern world. It means from Middle Age to modern world, we can find the differences in the field of literature by the great scholars in the period of Renaissance. And the qualities of Renaissance. What is basically the qualities of Renaissance? Very first we know rebirth of classical Greek learning. After centuries stagnation of Greek learning, Greek classical learning, it came a new era in the period of Renaissance, and then it was called rebirth of classical Greek learning. and so it has great impact in the field of literature in England. And the second quality of Renaissance, questioning of tradition. It means it came many questions over tradition which were wrong, and so third special quality is reaction against spiritual authority and religion. There was some spiritual authority in past before medieval time, and you can say ruling by religious persons, but it came a new changing in the period of Renaissance in England. So we can say Renaissance brought a new changing in England, which was not in the past. And fourth, secularism had set in, and so you can say it came very important situation in England that ended many kind of religion, and equality was to be forced to settle in society. And next, emphasis upon the scientific world, and they brought a new thought related to scientific matter. They thought that this world is related to scientific thought, and so they called scientific world, and they forces it beyond the tradition, beyond the spiritual authority, beyond the religion. And important event in Renaissance. What mainly events happened in the period of Renaissance? So you can say very first, publication of the Bible. Bible which was translated into English, and different journeys. Vasco da Gama discovered India. You can say Vasco da Gama searched a new path to India. Columbus searched a new path to America. Cortes to Mexico, and Balboa Pacific Ocean. It means all these adventurers who discovered so many different parts of different places which were unsearched and unseen. Next, discovery of press. It was also the event during the period of Renaissance. It was also very important event. Knowledge of new cosmos. It came new world. In knowledge, it came new, you can say, cosmos. In the view of the people, they came to understand about this world. And next, advent of new theater. It also, we can say, the era of new world where they found new kind of theater. And formation of East India Company in 1599. It was also greatly known in the field of literature during the period of Renaissance. And what is the impact of Renaissance on literature? So you can say there came so many poets, writers, dramatists, prose stylers, and they were much influenced by Renaissance. Just as we can name some poets: Thomas York, Sir Philip Sidney, John Milton, Edmund Spenser, William Shakespeare, the Earl of Surrey, etc. And mainly the dramatists: Christopher Marlowe, John Lyly, George Peele, Robert Greene, etc. And mainly the prose styler, Bacon. You can say Bacon, the father of English essay. All these topics basically related to Renaissance. So you can make a note and watch this video, and so watch again and again to clear away your confusion. So repeat it and wait for the next video.